back to another video. Hope you are having a good day. Today we're going to be making the big Lego set part 2, as they saw in the other video. We made a character, but he's canceled because we lost the character, so yeah, who really cares? And as you know, we already built this one. If you want to build a full Lego set, make sure to watch part 1 to part 3, which is the end of the Lego set, to start. So we're going to start on a character today on this video. So what you're going to need first is a head. Then you're going to need this body. You're going to need to put the zombie pigman on the body. You're going to need to take blue hands and put them on like so. Then you're gonna need to take blue legs, then put them on. And then you're gonna need to take this enchanted helmet and put it on. Bam. Then you're gonna need to take this. Then you're gonna need to take this. Then you're gonna take those two and connect them together. It's a weapon. And guys, look, that is the first person with the weapon. I mean, bruh. Okay, guys. So, and you're gonna lay him down by the chest because he's sleeping there. Okay, guys. So what you're gonna need to start with is this. You're gonna need this block. Then you're gonna need to place it right there. Then you're gonna need to take this blue thing and this white thing. Set the blue thing in the middle on the bottom like this. Then you're gonna need to take another blue thing, set it in the middle on the top. You're gonna need to take this, then set it like that. Then this. Then you're gonna need to stick it on one right there. Then you're gonna need to place it right there. We're moving on. No. Okay. So what you're gonna need is this head. Put it on this police body. Take two yellow hands. Put them on like so. Question hands. Then you're gonna need these police hunter legs. Put them on. And this dude is in the pack with the pieces to make the motor, because he's the guy that drives the motor. That's what we're gonna be working on next. So what you're gonna need is take this plate, this thing. You're gonna need to take a steering wheel and then flick it on right there. Guys, we need motors. No, wait, guys. He's the guy that has the arrow, the bow and arrow. So. Oh my gosh. You're going to need to get a seat. Then you're going to need to place it right in front of the wheel. Guys, you need to move. Motor, guys. You're going to need to take this and put it on right there. And yeah, that's the motor, guys. Let me show you the picture of him. Guys, these two are... Oh yeah, this dude, you need to build this from a different Lego set. Take out the wheels, and then the picture. The two people are in the same picture. I'll show you what the picture looks like. Okay, guys. So set that beside. Guys, this is the first part. And you're gonna need to get the window. Stick it right there. Then you're done with that part. And then you're gonna need this. And then you're gonna need to set it by the other one. Then you can put the person that drives the motor thing. That's where he parks. So yeah. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. Next time on part 3. Part 3, you guys. You guys have been really wanting it. You wanted this, so bye.